Welcome back to my channel. This is CoinCode. I am DMO. On this video, I'm going to talk more on a platform I already talked about, which is trx.capital. Now, before I do anything on this platform, please note that this video is a paid promotion video, and I believe you know what that means. Make sure you do your research, and the decision of you using this platform should come from you alone. Now, because this video is a paid promotion, I'll be doing a giveaway this week, which more information will be disclosed on the next video. All you just need to do is to make sure you click on that subscribe button, you understand, then like this video, and also subscribe to my other channel, which link is on the video description below or on the pinned comment. Then after that, make sure you follow me on Twitter at simplydmo, where I share more financial tips. As you all know, that is a requirement for this week giveaway. Make sure you comply because I'll be strict this time. Now back to the video. This platform is known as trx.capital. Now if you watch my video that I made 1 month ago on this platform, you will notice that I did some explanation on this platform. And just as you can see, this is their certificate, which is justice.son, that was registered October 21, 2018 with their head office in London. Basically, all these TRX money platforms clone each other, you understand? Now, all you just need to do is to make sure you register and sign up with the link on the video description below. And make sure after inputting your number, put a password that you can easily remember. You can see the instruction here that the password is stored in a decentralized way and cannot be retrieved after it is lost. Please remember your password. So make sure you remember your password. Then you click on this blue button. Then after that, it will take you to your dashboard successfully. Now, when you sign up, you will see a 1000 TRX demo, which you cannot withdraw, you understand? So now you just got to click on this trading section. Now, this is how the cloud mining works. You'll be receiving 6% daily from your deposit, so make sure you don't mistake that. And every day you'll be coming here to receive your 6%. That will be reflected on your demo account, just as you can see right now. And for you to activate your withdrawals, you need to deposit a minimum of 5 TRX to activate your account for withdrawal, which will take us to the deposit section of this video. So you just got to click on deposit on your own screen. Now on this section, you just got to copy your unique address that will be given to you. So you have to send TRX to this address directly. So as you can see, I'm already in my Binance account to send the TRX to my trx.capital account. So make sure you do the same. Now, just as you can see, I'm about to withdraw 200 TRX to my trx.capital account. So I just got to click on withdraw. And just as you can see, my withdrawal was successful. So I just got to wait for some minutes. Then I will go back to my trx.capital account. Then I will see 199 TRX because Binance will remove 1 TRX for charges. Now, while waiting for some minutes, you need to know that investing in cryptocurrency is risky. So make sure you invest what you can afford to lose, you understand? Because I'm investing $100 does not mean that you invest $100. And as I normally say, make sure you do your own research. But to be of a truth, since the last month I dropped this video, I've been able to make over 2000 TRX alone from this platform. I believe some people will understand what I meant. So now after the withdrawal is successful, you just got to come back to this platform. Then you click on this button that says get the deposit amount. Then you just wait for it to load up, you understand? And as you can see, after clicking on that button, the deposit will reflect on your TRX deposit quantity section. So that is just how to deposit on this platform. And with that, you just got to come to this trading section whereby you'll be claiming your 6% daily. Now, one cool thing about this platform is that after you deposit, you don't need to do anything else, you understand? You just got to deposit, then you withdraw. So now I'm going to click on this withdraw icon just to withdraw. Now, this is a withdrawal section which comprises of 2 accounts, basic account and promotion account. The basic account is just basically your deposit, while the promotional account is the affiliate account whereby you can withdraw unlimitedly, you understand? And as you can see, you will see your general balance and also your daily limit, which is the limit at which you are required to withdraw every day. Now, one thing I noticed about this platform is that if I deposit 200 TRX, you understand, then I'm withdrawing 5 TRX every day. That means in 40 days, I will get my capital back just for mining alone. And after getting your capital back, you can also be withdrawing unlimitedly forever, because that is what the company said. So you just got to click on the amount at which you want to withdraw. I recommend you withdrawing everything on your daily limit, you understand? Then you put your address and your password, then you click on confirm. Now, just as you can see, my daily limit is now 0. And one thing I will say is that once you get any money or any profit on this platform, make sure you withdraw instantly. Now, let me clear something from your head. From the certificate, you will discover that it is registered 2018. That means it has been in existence since 2018. And from my own end, over the last 1 month now, I've been making money from this platform, despite the fact that I created a new account to make this video. And now that should give you a clear sense of humor on what to do, you understand? Now, if you have any questions on this platform, you can also reach out to them by clicking on this icon below. Then it will take you to their Telegram community, and you can see that their community is also big, over 24,000 members and 1,300 active people, which is to tell you that this platform is kind of legit. You can also use the comment section for your compliments and questions, where you will get reply instantly. And as you can see, the deposit was successful. So make sure you do the giveaway tags. Meanwhile, you can also join our Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with new members. As this will be it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.